Yo, this is Catman316 here today. I'm gonna do a model unboxing today of 3 models, pretty much I won and basically paid shipping for, and that was it. Um, I know some people have one of them, a lot of them actually, of one, but I don't know if I'm gonna do a model review about it yet. But I'll find out. But I'll do a model review on the rest. So here it goes. I got this from 3,000 Toys, as you can see, from a recent photo contest they did. That who had the highest 3, pretty much, and 2 of my buddies won it plus me, so we scored for the scale model group, which was awesome. Randy got the 25, I got the 50, and McLean got the 75. So congratulations, you guys, on that. I hope you guys picked up good models. I can't wait to see them. So on with the model unboxing. It's a trusty buck knife. Never leave home without it. And as you can see, it is kind of a cloudy day today, so we had snow. So I was out and about last night. Of course, 3,000 Toys card. Always wonderful. I like the truck on it. The D8 is questionable, I should say. But here's what I got. So yeah. Let's see here. Yeah. There we go. So, you really can't see it, but it says the photo contest and stuff on there. And of course, they're running another contest, which I've entered. Ooh, they're after Thanksgiving and Christmas sale. I'll go through that later. Punch paper. Right, here's the first one. It's of a Dodge Ram 2500, which I'll probably customize, put step bars and toolboxes and stuff on it. Made by Ertl. It's a nice piece. I like them. I have a few already. The Bobcat S175, which everyone does have, so I don't know if I'm going to do a model review, like I said, about it or not. Let's see here. Of course, the little Ertl tag. And last but not least, the Cat 385 in 1/64 scale, which I'll do. It's got the metal tracks and everything, and I'll compare it with the other one I have that doesn't have any of these nice features. I got this from the scratch and dent because the box is ripped and worn out, and as you can tell, it's very, very dusty, so I don't know how long it's been sitting, but yeah. So here, I'll show you guys. There's Dodge. Very nice. Very, very nice. And of course, the Bobcat. And I need to replace this anyways because I had a case skid steer and I lost it somewhere. So I don't know where it went, but we'll find out. If I ever find it, I'll be happy actually, because I can put this away or sell it later for $5. Who knows? Or I could give it away in a contest. And there we have it. Bobcat S175. And of course, sorry. Yeah, let's see here. Now time to open this beast right here. And And as you can see, it is 150th scale. 164 scale, actually, not 150th. I'm so used to buying them. I hardly ever buy the 164 scales. I do have some, but from long ago when I first started collecting. And of course. And here you have it. The 385 CL by Northcott. And you can tell I'm going to have fun. So, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll have model reviews up and everything else. Alright, thank you guys.